Good morning, everyone. A warm greetings to the chairman, Kumar sir, Shine High School. Respected teachers, the current students, it is an honor to return to the alma mater, a place of cherished memories and that played a crucial role in shaping me. Let me introduce myself. I am Dr. Gummadi Rohit Yadav. I am done my masters in anatomy from JSS Medical College, Mysuru, and currently I am pursuing PhD in neuroanatomy from Dr. D.Y. Patil Medical College, Hospital and Research Center, Pune. So my journey was not just easy; it was completely a roller coaster. I left my hometown in 2015, and I was continuously traveling to the various states across the India for education. In this journey, I have completely transformed myself. There was a self-doubt, there was failures, there was mental health was affected, homesick, but I beat all the odds and I'm here today to talk to you. The journey from there, it was 11 years, almost 11 years. From there to here, the journey was not easy, but I always believed in myself, worked hard, and also I chased my passions consistently. So let me share a few other experiences in Shine High School. Those days, I was thinking actually, when Kumar sir has called me and he told me to share my experiences, I was thinking, what should I share? So I was recalling all the memories in the various subjects, how teachers taught us, what was the memories. So those days were very memorable and also teachers were very useful. They are very helpful. So teachers like Raju sir in Telugu, in Hindi, Sridhar sir, Rajkumar sir, English Bob sir, Maths JK sir, Pradeep sir, Science Satish sir and Fani Kumar sir, Social Sciences again Kumar sir and Arvind sir. They made everything possible for us to learn things. They loved us, they punished us, they motivated us. And here, throughout this journey, what I've learned is, one of the most important lesson to be learned here is significance of hard work and dedication. So we have to couple these things. So I'm here just because I'm sharing my memories that I'm not successful. Success, the definition of success is not achieving anything. The success means not to fail. If you fail, how we are recovering from it, what we are learning from it. Life has ups and downs.